dark pair of shades. So he can't see my eye unless my head is bent. You dig?
Hello guys, welcome back pour un autre vidéo. Jeudi c'est samedi 28 février. Nous avons dit ça nous va faire un just sorti. Mais quand on parle de mall là, so on a parlé de mall là pour nous voir qui ça qui sorti, qui ça qui nouveau dans Zara avant. Ou bien coach tout nous besoin voir qui ça qui na coach. Et où Jeff?
Yeah, nous besoin aller dans coach. Moi, I've mainly just besoin faire flâner parce que.
Yeah, nous just avoir flâner.
Parce que j'étais samedi, on connaît. All week we've been doing business stuff. So, je dis assez je pour nous continuer relax, nous à flâner dans l'area. I work at Belle Bagarre. Nous qu'à l'acheter, mais comme ça nous qu'à pas acheter tout. It depends on ça nous ouais. Si nous bail nous besoin, n'a pas acheter. But si nous bail nous besoin, nous pas acheter. So,
guys, mais Eris préparé. Eris nous t'es mon valise coach.
Eris c'est petit valise.
C'est grand femme, petit valise.
Eris just besoin flâner.
Say hi guys.
Si t'as dit nous on allait dehors, so on va aller dehors avec Eris. You ready? You ready to go outside? Okay, let's go outside.
Yes, we're gonna go outside. So Eris pare, il voulait sortir, so not sorti, okay? Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye. Let's go.
Okay, guys, so nous avons aller.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so nous décidé pour nous aller dans pizza shop. Nous connaissons pizza shop là dans TikTok, but nous pas jamais essayé. But quand là nous allons essayer pour nous voir qui genre pizza taste. Eris aime pizza, so maybe li carrément par contre ça que c'est pizza que j'en menu ouais. But au connaît ça après bonjour.
On connaît pizza est supposé bon. Pizza ça on mettre sur chicken by ça also. I'm la bon, so I'm looking forward pour me try it, you know. Eris ka privé le boy par même pizza ça parce que il used to all lot différents compagnies nous acheter pizza, il aime en pile, but ça c'est un custom pizza, il différent, tout petit, ils font différent que ça nous usually balé, so I'm looking forward pour moi qui réaction Eris like goûter on new pizza. Et ça n'a fait chaque temps nous qu'elle buy na TikTok, n'a pas try over pour nous si bon parce que you know they hype them up a lot, you know.
Yeah, they hype them up. And plus, you guys know, donc comme t'as dit nous déjà, I'm vraiment picky avec bagay que manger, but c'est just on pizza. So, si m'pas mais ça actually, I'm can just acheter un cheese pizza or pepperoni pizza. You know, but simple. But I'm still trying it. Eris there, I've got it TFL, I've got it to TV. So,
you connais Eris, depuis ouais il gagne TV, il ka aller nous ka compter pour 3 jours, il pas même garder nous même pour juste like c'est la créer ou dire bah après ça bon petit nous ka travel, nous ka aller bien loin avec Eris. Eris pas jamais bon problème et créer donc ouais people love got it petit bébé toujours à faire. Nous aimons ça avec Eris. Eris ça va pour un pile road trip comme ça, so nous bien contents. Depuis là il était fait nous faire road trip ça avec. Moi depuis là petit oui. Bon nous connait nos vlog là tout.
Yeah, depuis là Eris petit n'a sorti avec. So il connaît que nous dehors, famille ça son famille dehors.
Il y a même mon haïtien
pied poudré, cordé, nous besoin qu'on les
you really cordon too?
Yeah, cordon.
Oh, no marché un pile?
Yeah.
Oh wow, on buy under the cordon.
I think it's like a more on my side type of thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you toujours dis, oh, cordon, nous toujours dehors, yeah. Yeah, but nous toujours dehors, so Eris toujours dehors. Eris, son monde pour mettre rat sur lui, il tout dit we're going outside, parce que qu'on est n'a sorti. Ou bien, si le ne pas jamais sorti, il besoin sortir. Tant que aujourd'hui, il besoin sortir. C'est ça, il levé, you want to go outside. That's it.
Every law is better outside, not many, parce que nous aimons sortir tout. So, n'a sorti, n'a aller tout côté qui gagne. Et puis nous avons bon weather too.
Bon weather, yeah. Quand il y a les 80, combien nous même nous bas non? Sorry, mon yo.
Celle nous avec mon yo qui regarde Haïti là qui bien passé
dans Florida tout. Oui.
Mon Florida.
Mon Florida, me pas te faire fret pour yo.
Florida te ka fè ti fwet. Ebe se sel nou ame moun Haiti yo kap bien.
Nou pa nou ba sa yo nou men. Nou gen bon weather.
Nou gen bon weather la bien mene la. Bien avase sou moun New York yo. Gade, sou New York ou bien Boston, New Jersey, ouvri fenêtre nou an. Ki jè men blind la? Faut ti ouvri blind la. Palem sa wè de yo an.
Freddy.
E pa sel Freddy no? Gen pil snow de yo an.
Yeah, pil snow. But you know, e wan lama, so Freddy a ka de sa nan.
Yeah, boy, la bay melt. Yeah, soon la melt. Alright, nou ale lo po.
Yeah, so not many nou aven you guys. Nou konen depi nou nan la ri tou, sa nou we tou. So, na pal moutre nou beautiful day yo. E pi tou, nap soti nou pal la pizza.
Chak start machine na, i deja di pou mwen al bateri an feb. So, si m kite bateri an mourim, si nou deyo nou pap ka lock machine na, ouwan? So, anvan nou ale kene pot kote, m ke pou m kape, m deja fe gaz, but m bliye sa, m ke pou m bale nou gas station pou m ach nou bateri pou m bede nan remote la pou nou ba kole deyo. So, sa machine na pap start tou.
Ok.
Yeah, so nou pou m fe sa. So, nan wè fe sa anvan, epi nan pou sa nou pou ale achete baye pou nou manje ave moun yo. I wear mean dark pair of shades, so he can't see my eye unless my head is bent. You dig?
You know it's always outside. It's like showbiz.
Monkeys they fly, no lie. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Say it's your last day. So you at a beach club. Could've let you pass me. I'm a man in the nation. If I get you here right now, show you what you've been missing. Send the location, let's get it started. Rappers outside of the lobby. It's getting lit to be honest. I'm kinda lit to be honest. I can picture your body, I want it on me. Yes, you're quite thick to be honest. But I ain't that guy to be falling. So we can just vibe to the morning, yeah. Cool party, set, DJ, Dex, in the dance, step. This just makes so much sense. Oh my God, Dex, bumper, check, in the dance, step. This just makes so much sense.
Ok guys, so nou fin rive nan pizza, but n'oubliye pase nan gas station la pou nou achete battery pou remote la. So se sa nan wal fe kounya. Nou fek rive nan gas station la. Guys, weather is so good there. Oh my God.
Oh, mè de tout fenet yo down. Mè de fenet pa Eris la down. Paske ba la tro douce. Mè zan mi gan an bon ti weather nan Jersey. Mè battery, mè remote la. We go look for the battery. That's the battery. Hopefully they have it in there. Hopefully you'll get battery on it down, huh?
They should.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Might check it for more. Hi, how you doing? You guys have these batteries?
No.
Oh man. You see this battery right here? For the remote. Yeah, for the remote.
Oh.
Yeah, cause it's telling me to go put some battery in and I don't have, like, it's going low, so I need some battery.
Videos?
No, not even for, oh no, alright, yeah, I'm recording, I'm recording, yeah. But it's telling me, like, the car is telling me to, cause I could go somewhere and park and then can't unlock the car, so I need, yeah. You be making videos on the bike?
Yeah, bro, I love making content.
Oh man,
That's all I do.
For YouTube or IG?
Everything. I just bought it. My DJI just came in yesterday for my helmet.
Oh shoot, are you using it yet?
No, not yet. I haven't got my my mount.
Oh
I just
shoot.
have the camera and my mic, so I gotta get the mount.
Yeah. Let's check out the bike, man.
Yeah.
What kind of bike is this?
Yamaha R7.
R7?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. It looks good, man.
Yeah, I just put my exhaust on it, so.
You got that on, oh, carbon fiber there?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's carbon and full titanium.
damn, it sounds good, huh?
It barks, bro.
You be shooting flames?
At night probably. I just put it on today. I don't know.
Oh, so you don't know what it, yeah. Oh, shoot. What about the headers too? So it comes with the headers?
No, I put the full system on.
Damn, it looks brand new.
Yeah.
It's not even blue yet.
I know. I just put it on 2 hours ago.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
man.
so I'll be
Shit.
wheeling and everything.
It looks good, man. Let me see.
Yeah, I'll be wheeling and everything.
Ooh, yeah. Nice, man. Nice. You on IG? What's your IG? Hey, say hi. Alright, my man.
Yeah.
Thanks, my man. I'm gonna follow you then.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you around, man. Alright, guys. We couldn't find it, so we're gonna go back. Yeah. Oh! Yeah! Man, it sounds good. Alright.
Ok, Jeffrey fèk soti an dan store. On y a la pou tire bagay. Pou kite la nan van pou chanje kwe ya pou mette sa li fèk sot achete ya. Il te vote cash, but I guess il va pran cash.
Yep. We good.
Oh, it's good.
Yep. So we good. Battery
Alright.
bon.
Let's go.
Alright. Where's the back?
E pa pou dat Eris ap tan pou soti. Eris wanna go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Eris vle ale.
Out my shit.
Yeah.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the store. Shop in the drop it, stop at Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes. Throw on my trousers, look at my bricks. These are my tennis, look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Chrome hot socks and sandals. Man's outside in Crocs and shambles. Please quick talk, no rambles. Soon as they send they bread, I cancel. I like to tangle, twisting and tangle, testing the angles. Up in the bank though, I got the same goals. You with the same hoes, I like the bank, bro. He never met no one like me. It's pretty funny how now they all like me, innit? This ain't rented. Straight from the plane, I boarded. Maybe you can't afford it. I'm with my dogs and we out in Shoreditch. Shortage. You got a shortage on your funds and I got a long clip on my guns. Sounds like
Vancouver là. But it looks like n'a pas acheté l'autre bagay nous des pizzas parce que nous on petit store là qui gagne plus bon manger des pizzas et gars n'a point la plutôt bon moi est-ce mettre valise pour aller ça marcher va montrer Look at Eris.
Eris cute.
Yeah, oh, Eris cute. Eris, you cute with your little purse? Belle Waterfall. Belle bagay net. Belle sous Waterfall. Mais là, son côté AMC pour regarder des movies. Moi, même connais qui movie cap show. Nous avons longtemps. Nous parler dans movie parce que nous toujours regarder movie la caille. Faut comme moi après là. OK, bon ma check moi après. Nous longtemps nous parler dans movie. Nous toujours fait des bail la caille. Nous regarder un peu de movie la caille nous so. On joue comme ça n'a venir là. Nous regarder movie. Huh? The ice cream place? Eris, are you having fun? You wanna eat ice cream? Where is Eris going? Oh yeah, we might have to buy ice cream for. This place is good. Remember, did you ask for ice cream? No? Huh? Nah, it was here. How cute is your bag, Eris? You holding on to that bag for dear life.
The name.
Is this what is this?
That's gonna be Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher? Well, should we get that?
For it.
We could try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Is this like actual ice cream or?
Oh, maybe just one more, cause you think she's gonna finish hers?
She probably not.
Yeah, just one more. One more. Yeah, she's probably not gonna finish it. Yeah.
He's like, look at the little coach bag.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
He's styling.
Yeah.
She don't want to let
This
it
is
go.
making mine work.
Yeah, she's loving it. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna get your ice cream. Don't worry. We're just paying for it, okay? We're gonna get it for you. We got your ice cream. Okay? Eh, ça plonge bien sur ice cream là parce que il veut nous. Bon, ouais, nous venons là pour pizza. C'est ice cream, il est belle. Faut nous manger ça, Harris veut manger. Comme moi. Ouais, il veut point. Oh no, Harris. Don't take that off. I'll leave it there. Okay. You wanna take it? You wanna take it? Take it. Take the ice cream. Yeah, we gotta get it for her. Let's go sit down somewhere. You grab them. Okay, you grab them. So nous fini là. Nous ready pour nous aller la caille Konya. Parce que nous pas pour nous jeudi à samedi nous pas grand peu de graphique pour nous arriver la caille parce que tout le monde sorti à famille yo. So Konya tout le monde a cherché chemin la caille yo, including Harris. So nous déplacé. Nous fini.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go home.
Let's go. You gonna walk the long way out or short way là?
Short way.
Short way.
Yeah, besoin aller.
And I short way là.
Okay.